Manage your work seamlessly with To-Do on On-Site. Just open a project and click on the To-Do tab at the top. From here, you can easily add a new to-do by naming it, setting a due date, selecting a category, adding an assignee, and saving the details. You can also filter your to-dos based on their status, like completed or pending. Need more specific filtering? Just click on the filter option to customize the to-do list as per your needs. And if you click on the three dots next to any to-do, you can quickly duplicate it, edit it, or delete it. That's how simple it is to stay organized and manage your tasks with on-site to-dos.